Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Justnene here, back with another video, and today I'm gonna show you how I created this soft glam for my beautiful client. And starting off with the brows, I'm going in with my Wet n Wild dark brown pencil, and I'm just shaping up her brows. I know they look crazy, but we're gonna go in and fix them up real quick, so don't worry, sis. So now I'm going in with Tarte and Deep concealers, and I am just concealing her brows. Okay, so it took me a while, but we're done. And now I'm going in with P. Louise Base in Zero, and I just applied that all over her lid. And now I'm going in with this orange shade in my Juvias Place palette, the Zulu palette, and I'm just tapping that into her crease with a fluffy brush. And now I'm just blending out the shade and bringing it more towards the brows and just blending out the harsh lines. Then I went in my Jaclyn Morphe palette, and I kind of took like a shade. It's like it's almost like a Morocco, like the same shade as the Morocco shade in the Juvias Place palette. It's like a reddish orange. So I just took that and applied that right on top of the orange shade that I used from the Zulu palette. Now I'm going in with P. Louise Base in Zero, and I'm just applying that concealer on her lid because we're doing a no cut crease. So it's like a soft glam look, a nice, really blended out and diffused, blown out shadow look. So I'm just tapping the concealer and getting all that excess product on there. Now, as you see, I went in with my Juvia's Place palette and the Warriors 2 palette, and I took that light shade. It's like a white, off-white kind of tan shade, and I'm just placing that right on top of the concealer to set in that base. And I'm doing this with a flat brush, like a flat fluffy brush. So I'm just tapping that shade right on top of the concealer. And now I'm going in with Black Radiance contour palette, medium to dark, and I'm using the darker shade to set the cream contour. And then I'll go in with some blush, and this is the end of the video, you guys. Thank you for watching this video, and I'm trying to do this Slaymas, but I'm gonna be back to back with the videos. But thanks for watching. Bye.